Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful short pants. I'll be using elastic waistband for it, but I'll be using a tiny elastic to make the band of this short. If this is a video you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Now let's get right into making this beautiful short. I made use of 1.5 yards of Ankara fabric. If you have leftover fabric, you can also come up with this style and do it as well. Right now, the next step is to marking my band. I'll be marking 3 inches for my band. And after marking the 3 inches, I'll be coming down by 17 inches to mark my waist to my crotch. I'll be marking just my crotch measurement for this short. I won't be marking my hip or my thigh. I'll just be marking my waist to my crotch. So I've extended my tape measure to mark that 17 inches. My total length is 20 inches, so I'll be marking the 17 inches and I'll extend with a straight line. After extending the lines, the next step is to impute my measurement. I'll be imputing my hip measurement for this short. My hip is 44 divided by 4, that will give me 11 inches. So I'll mark that 11 inches, but I'll be adding 2 inches of sewing allowance, that will give me 13 inches. So I'll be marking that 13 inches both on my waistline and on my crotch line, and I will extend it to the band as well because I want my band to be able to accommodate my waist and to be able to accommodate the elastic band. So right now that 13 inches divided by 4, that will give me 3.25, but I'll be making use of 3.5 for my crotch depth. So right now the next step is to go outwards by 1.5 inches because I want to really free at the crotch extension. So I'll be going out by 1.5 inches and I'll be curving my crotch just as shown. If you have watched my video to this point, please give this video a like so that YouTube can push out my content. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. The next step now is to mark my tie round. My tie round is 28 inches divided by 2. That will give me 14. I'll proceed to marking that 14 inches and I'll just curve my crotch just as shown. And that'll be all for the drafting of the front pattern. We'll proceed now to cutting out the front pattern and we'll place the front pattern on the back pattern to measure and cut out. After placing the front pattern on the back pattern, I will extend from my waist to my band by 2 inches. I'll be going outwards by 2 inches. And on my crotch, I'll be going outwards by 3.5 inches as well. I'll be marking that for my back crotch so that I can accommodate my butt. So I'll be using 3.5 for my crotch as well. And I'll also mark 2 inches for my thigh. Not really thigh, but the hem. I'll be marking 2 inches as well. So I'll proceed now to curve out my crotch and extend the lines from the waist down to meet the crotch line. If you don't understand what I'm doing, please just watch the video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. If you're a beginner sewing this short, please just watch my videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. So right now, I'll proceed to curving out my back crotch, and after curving out my back crotch, I will just extend the lines to my hem, and with that we are done with the back pattern as well. So right now I'll proceed to cutting out the back pattern and we are done with both the front and the back pattern. The next step is to join the crotch, that's from the waist down to the crotch. I'll proceed to do that off camera. I've gone ahead to do that. So after joining the waist to the crotch or the band to the crotch, then the next step is to join the sides and the crotch seams together. I'll proceed to do that as well off camera, and after that I'll come back and show you how to fold your waistband in. When joining your side seams together, if you discover that they are not equal, don't worry, just go ahead and do the joining. It will come out very nice at the end of the day. So right now I'm just showing you how to fold in the band. I'll proceed to folding in my band. Remember I used 3 inches for my band intake, so I've gone ahead to fold 0.5 inches and I'll be marking and I'll be folding in by 2 inches as well. So I've gone ahead to do that. I've gone in to fold my band just as shown. Now the next step I'll do is to divide that 2 inches by 3. I'll go ahead and run a stitch, 2 stitches on my band as well. I've proceeded to doing that. It came out really looking nice. This is how you want your band to come out. I've run the stitch all through, so I have 3 casings to insert my elastic band. Now I'll be making use of small elastic band for this short, so I'll proceed now to marking 27 inches each for the elastic band I'll be inserting into the 3 casings. So 27 inches for my waistline is 38, but when I use 27 inches for my elastic band, it can accommodate my waist. So you want to make sure that your elastic band can accommodate your waist and even have extra allowance so that it will be too tight. So I proceeded now to cutting out the elastic band to fit in the three casing. So I will show you how to insert the elastic band one after the other. You insert the first elastic band to the first line, insert the second elastic band to the second line, and insert the third elastic band to the third line, and you run a stitch. After you are done inserting, you end by running a stitch to the elastic band so it can fit into the casing. So I'll proceed to doing that now, and after that we are done, you hem your short, and with that we are done with the short. The short really came out really looking nice. If you're a beginner, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, watch my videos, and leave me a good comment. Please give this video a like so that YouTube can push out my content. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions regarding this short, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. And with this, we are done with the short. It came out really looking perfect and nice. The elastic band can accommodate my waist. It's really nice. It's just a simple tutorial. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.